Finding the perfect nail polish can be overwhelming with so many options on the market. Whether you're looking for long-lasting color, a smooth application, or just something trendy, it's important to choose the right brand for your needs. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 nail polish brands that stand out in quality, variety, and performance. From affordable options to luxury picks, we've got something for everyone. Let's dive into the world of beautiful, durable, and vibrant nails. Kicking off our list at number 1, Essie. Essie is a classic brand known for its vibrant colors and professional quality nail polishes. With a reputation for offering a wide range of shades, from bold and daring to subtle and elegant, Essie has been a go-to for nail enthusiasts worldwide for decades. Its formula is easy to apply, and it promises long-lasting wear with a glossy finish. Key features: Essie nail polishes are formulated with a proprietary formula that ensures smooth application and high pigmentation. The brand offers a variety of finishes, including creams, metallics, and glitters, providing options for every occasion. Essie's brush is designed for precision, making application easy, even for beginners. The formula is also quick-drying, making it convenient for those in a rush. Benefits and usage: Essie polishes provide excellent coverage, even with just one coat. For best results, apply a base coat first to protect your nails, followed by 2 coats of Essie nail color, and finish with a top coat to seal in the color and add shine. The polish is versatile and works for both everyday wear and special occasions. Usability: Essie is incredibly user-friendly. The brush allows for controlled application, and the polish dries quickly, making it perfect for a busy schedule. With over 100 shades to choose from, finding the right color for any mood or season is easy. Essie's formula is also chip-resistant, providing long-lasting results that keep nails looking fresh. Durability: Essie's nail polish is known for its durability. With proper application and a top coat, the polish can last up to a week without chipping. The brand's wide array of shades ensures that you can find a color that suits any occasion, while its chip-resistant formula makes it a reliable choice for long-lasting wear. In the second spot, we have Sally Hansen. Sally Hansen is one of the most recognizable names in the nail care industry. Known for its affordable yet high-quality nail products, Sally Hansen offers a variety of polishes that cater to different nail types and preferences. Whether you need strength-building treatments or a pop of color, Sally Hansen provides it all. Key features: Sally Hansen nail polishes come in a variety of collections, such as the Miracle Gel line and the Complete Salon Manicure series. These polishes are enriched with nourishing ingredients like keratin and are designed to provide a salon-quality manicure at home. The brush is wide and rounded for easy application, allowing for a smooth, streak-free finish. Benefits and usage: Sally Hansen's Miracle Gel offers the convenience of a gel manicure without the need for UV light. It provides a high-shine, chip-resistant finish that lasts for up to 14 days. For everyday wear, the Complete Salon Manicure series combines color, strength, and shine, eliminating the need for multiple products. Just apply 2 coats, followed by a top coat for maximum longevity. Usability: Sally Hansen's polishes are easy to apply, thanks to the wide brush that allows for quick and even coverage. The Miracle Gel line is especially popular for its ease of use and long-lasting results, while the Complete Salon Manicure series provides a one-step solution for color, strength, and shine. Durability: Sally Hansen nail polishes are durable and long-lasting. The Miracle Gel line promises up to 14 days of wear, while the Complete Salon Manicure series can last up to a week with proper application. With Sally Hansen, you can expect chip-free nails for several days, making it perfect for busy individuals who need a reliable, at-home manicure. Coming in at number 3 is the Zoya. Zoya is a professional quality nail polish brand known for its wide range of colors, as well as its commitment to creating polishes that are both healthy and long-lasting. Zoya polishes are free from harmful chemicals like toluene, formaldehyde, and DBP, making them a great choice for those seeking a safer nail care option. Key features: Zoya offers over 300 shades, from classic reds to the latest fashion-forward hues. The formula is free from 10 common harmful chemicals found in many other nail polishes, which makes Zoya a cleaner, more eco-friendly option. The brand is also known for its long-lasting formula and high pigmentation, ensuring that your nails look vibrant and glossy. Benefits and usage: Zoya's nail polishes offer full coverage in just 2 coats. The formula is designed to provide a durable, glossy finish without chipping. To apply, use a base coat, followed by 2 coats of your chosen Zoya color, and finish with a top coat to enhance the shine and longevity of your manicure. Usability: Zoya's polishes are easy to apply with a well-designed brush that ensures smooth, even coverage. The formula dries quickly and provides a glossy finish without streaks or bubbles. Zoya is suitable for all nail types and is particularly favored by those who want a non-toxic, professional-grade product. Durability: Zoya nail polishes are known for their durability and chip-resistant formula. With proper application, the color can last up to a week or more without chipping or fading. Zoya is perfect for those who want a beautiful manicure that can withstand daily wear and tear while maintaining its shine and color. Taking our 4th spot is Butter London. Butter London is a premium nail polish brand that combines high-quality ingredients with bold, fashionable colors. Known for its luxurious packaging and chic finishes, Butter London offers a range of polishes that provide both a stylish look and long-lasting wear. The brand prides itself on being 8-free, meaning it's free from 8 harmful chemicals commonly found in other nail polishes. Key features: Butter London's formula is enriched with natural ingredients like bamboo, which helps to strengthen nails and prevent breakage. The brand's polishes are available in a wide range of shades, including glossy, matte, and glitter finishes. The brush is designed for easy application, with a wide shape that allows for full coverage and fewer strokes. Benefits and usage: Butter London's nail polishes offer full coverage and a smooth, glossy finish in just 2 coats. The 8-free formula ensures that you're using a safer product, free from harsh chemicals like formaldehyde, toluene, and camphor. For best results, use a base coat and top coat to extend the wear and shine of your manicure. Usability: the application is easy, with a brush that glides smoothly across the nails. The formula provides quick drying and long-lasting color, making it ideal for those looking for a high-end, hassle-free manicure. Butter London's color selection includes both timeless classics and trendy shades, so there's something for everyone. Durability: Butter London polishes are designed for durability, offering chip-resistant wear for up to a week with proper application. The 8-free formula not only ensures a healthier manicure but also contributes to a longer-lasting finish. If you're looking for a luxurious, long-lasting nail polish, Butter London is an excellent choice. And finally, at number 5, we have Chanel. Chanel is a luxury nail polish brand that offers an exclusive, high-quality range of colors and finishes. Known for its sophisticated packaging and premium formulas, Chanel nail polishes are designed to provide both elegance and durability, perfect for those who appreciate the finer things in life. Key features: Chanel nail polishes are formulated with a rich blend of pigments, giving them an intense, deep color with a glossy finish. The polishes are long-wearing and chip-resistant, and the brush is designed for precise application. Chanel offers a range of classic and seasonal shades, making it easy to find the perfect color for any occasion. Benefits and usage: Chanel's nail polishes provide full coverage in just 2 coats, delivering vibrant, professional-looking nails. For best results, apply a base coat to protect your nails, followed by 2 coats of the desired shade, and finish with a top coat to enhance the gloss and longevity. Usability: Chanel's polishes are easy to apply, with a brush that provides smooth, even coverage. The formula is quick drying, ensuring you can get back to your day without having to wait long for your nails to dry. With a range of chic, timeless colors, Chanel nail polish is a luxurious addition to your nail care routine. Durability: Chanel nail polish is known for its durability and chip-resistant formula. With proper application, the color can last up to a week, keeping your nails looking flawless. Chanel is the perfect choice for those seeking a high-end, long-lasting manicure with a touch of sophistication. Finding the right nail polish brand is crucial for maintaining beautiful, healthy nails. Whether you're looking for high-quality formulas, vibrant colors, or a long-lasting finish, these 5 nail polish brands, Essie, Sally Hansen, Zoya, Butter London, and Chanel, offer something for everyone. Each one delivers outstanding performance, from everyday wear to luxury finishes. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and reviews. See you in the next video.